The last thing you should be worried about as a beginner on YouTube is views and subscribers. You have to worry more and focus more on posting consistently and getting better with every post. I'm sharing this with you because it happened to me. Okay, so when I first started my YouTube channel, I posted just two videos. Two videos and I went on a break. Do you know why? I kept on worrying about views and subscribers that I didn't even have the time or the energy to make more content. And the worst thing is that I didn't get any view at all. In the first 3 to 4 days, I got no view, not even one. The only views I got were the ones I viewed by myself. I could literally view my video up to 5 times, and after that maybe it would record about 4 views or 5 views. So I was the only one watching my video. So I was really disappointed, and again, since no one was watching, there was no subscriber. Okay, so that was how I packed up after 2 videos. I packed up, like I was like, I beg, whenever I have the strength, I'll come back again and drop another video. So that was how I packed up. I left YouTube entirely and went back to other social media platforms, and then surprisingly I came back to YouTube after about 2 months. And guess what? I got a notification that someone commented on one of my videos. Hey God, I was really happy. I was super excited, so I rushed to the video, replied to the person's comments, and I already had about 30 something views on one of the videos, and that was when I got the strength to continue. And the funny thing is that continuing after 2 months is more like starting afresh. Yes, it's starting afresh because algorithm was trying to push my channel. It was trying to get my audience for me, but I already gave up even before it could do that. So I had to start all over again. I made another post and then another post again, and I got tired again and didn't post for about 3 weeks or 1 month or thereabouts. Then I now decided to make up my mind to build this YouTube channel. So I was like, it's either I build this channel or I build this channel. There's no going back. So that was how I came back and started posting back to back. Even though I am not really impressed with the content I put out so far, I am not really impressed. The last few videos I posted were just short videos that are not even up to 1 minute. But right now, I've brought out my time and I've decided to build this channel with my full chest. So if you're out there and you're planning to launch a YouTube channel, please, I beg you, once you launch that channel, keep up with the pace. Do not stop. Even if you're not getting any views, do not stop. Keep up with the pace. Algorithm is just trying to find your audience. So don't be worried about views. Don't be worried about subscribers. Just keep posting and keep making your content better with every post. That is what you should focus on. Please do not make the same mistake I made. Can you say that from the first time I launched my first video till now is already about 5 months gone or 4 months gone, and there's no much result from it. Why? Because each time I come back, I have to start afresh. So please, when you start, just start and continue. Do not stop. Do not stop. I'm telling you this from experience. Do not stop. Just continue going. The algorithm will find your audience. Each person has their own audience. If you're posting chaotic videos, there are people that love things that are chaotic. There are people that love chaotic videos. If you're posting videos about you arranging your room or anything, there are people that love to watch that. If you're posting tutorial videos, there will be people that would be glad to learn from what you're teaching. So whatever it is you want to post, whatever it is, whichever niche you want to go into, please start. And when you start, continue going at that pace. Do not stop. One day your audience will start coming and you start enjoying the hard work you've been doing for a long time. Okay, so focus on the work first before the result. You have to put out something before you look out for results. If you'd be launching your own YouTube channel, please let this encourage you today. Once you start, do not stop. Keep going and someday you will get there. Alright, see you on my next video. Bye.